Want to send crypto as INR to your friends, family, or even to your own bank? With the INRx Pay app, you can transfer money in just a few taps, whether it's to phone number, to bank or UPI ID, and even to self-transfer. Let's see how. Transfer money to phone number. Open the INRx Pay app. On the Transfer Money section, directly tap on To Phone Number. Here, you'll see your contacts who are already using INRx Pay. Want to send money to someone new? Just tap on New Payment, choose Dial Pad and enter their mobile number. If they're an INRx user, you can send crypto directly. If they're not on INRx yet, you'll get the option to invite them to join. Now, choose a contact, start a chat if needed, enter the amount, select the crypto that has balance, and tap Pay Now. Enter your 6-digit UCPI PIN, and that's it. Transaction successful. The crypto will be reflected in the recipient's wallet balance instantly, with no fees and no limits. Transfer money to bank or UPI ID. Back in the transfer section, tap on To Bank or UPI ID. To transfer to a bank, first click on Add New Bank Account, select the bank, enter the account number and IFSC code. Once entered, click Next. The app will automatically fetch the details. After verifying, click Next again. Bank account is now added. Now, select the added bank account, enter the INR amount you want to send, like 2000. Choose your crypto with balance, for example, USDT. After selecting USDT, you can see the value of 2000 rupees in current USDT rate, and the app will automatically deduct the equivalent USDT from your wallet balance. Tap Pay Now, enter your 6-digit UCPI PIN, and the money will be transferred directly to the receiver's bank account in INR. You can also transfer funds via UPI ID. Just click on Add New UPI ID, verify it, and confirm. Once added, follow the same steps, enter the INR amount, select your crypto, hit Pay Now, enter your UCPI PIN, and your transaction is successful. The receiver gets INR directly in their UPI-linked account. To self-transfer. Tap on To self-transfer, then choose whether to transfer via bank or UPI. You can even add different bank accounts with the same name as per your KYC. To add a new bank account, click on Add New Bank Account, select the bank, enter the account number and IFSC code. Once entered, click Next. The app will automatically fetch the details. After verifying, click Next again. Your new bank account is now added. Now, select your bank account, enter the INR amount, and tap Proceed to Pay. Select the crypto with balance, tap Pay. Enter your 6-digit UCPI PIN, and your crypto will be converted and sent to your own bank account. For UPI, add and verify your UPI ID that matches your KYC name. Once verified, follow the same steps, enter amount, click on Proceed to Pay, then select Crypto and tap on Pay, enter UCPI PIN, and you are done. To check your available balance, tap Wallet Balance and use Hide Zero Balance to view only the tokens with balance. That's it. Transferring money with crypto is now easier than ever. Use INRx Pay Crypto UPI app now. Download it from Play Store or App Store and experience fast, safe and seamless payments.